In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Prezi for networking events. Whether you're preparing for a conference, a business mixer, or any professional gathering, having a well-crafted Prezi can make all the difference in effectively conveying your message and showcasing your professional profile. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into Prezi. If you don't already have an account, signing up is straightforward and quick. Once you're in, go ahead and create a new presentation. Now, choosing the right template is crucial for setting the tone of your presentation. You'll want to select a sleek, professional template that aligns with a business setting. This decision will guide the visual style and overall feel of your presentation, ensuring it resonates with your audience. Now that we have our template, let's move on to lay out the foundation of your presentation. Begin by setting your name, role, and key value proposition as the main topic. This is essentially your professional headline, what you want people to remember about you. It's important to keep this concise and impactful, immediately grabbing attention and encouraging your audience to learn more about you. Next, add subtopics that branch off from your main topic. These subtopics will focus on your areas of expertise, notable projects, and key achievements. Think of these as support points that bolster your professional narrative. Be sure to use clear, direct language to communicate your skills and experiences. This is your opportunity to showcase everything that sets you apart from the crowd. To further enhance your presentation, you'll want to insert visuals, including elements like logos of companies you've worked for, professional photos, and industry-related icons can add a level of credibility and make your presentation more engaging. Visuals can often communicate nuances that words alone might miss, so choose images that directly align with the points you're making. Moving forward, dedicate a section of your presentation to highlight what you are looking for. This could be potential partners, new clients, or specific opportunities. Clearly articulating your goals can help your audience understand how they can connect and potentially collaborate with you. As you wrap up the content, add a zoom path that flows like a personal story. This feature in Prezi allows you to guide your audience through your presentation in a seamless and engaging way. By zooming in on subjects, you can control the flow of information and maintain interest throughout. Lastly, make sure to include your contact details and social media links in the final frame. This step is essential for providing your audience with the means to follow up, connect, or inquire further. Make sure the information stands out and is easy to access. And that's how you design a Prezi for networking events. With a visually compelling and well-structured presentation, you're all set to make a lasting impact the next time you're introducing yourself in a professional setting. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!